Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar and today's date is 18 October 2021 and today's video topic is recursion. So what is a recursion? So uh, do you know recursion is a basic programming technique you you can use in Java in which a method call itself to solve some problem. a method that a method that uses uh, this technique is recursive, and the end condition indicates when the recursive method should stop calling itself. So reverse string using recursion in Java. So what is the reverse string? What is the reverse string in a recursion? Firstly, we do not use loops in recursion. We use methods in recursion. So recursion in a Java is a progress in which a method call itself continuous in the programming language. If a program allows us to call a function inside the same function name, it is known as a recursive. So call of the function, it is makes the code compact, but it is difficult to understand. It is a difficult to understand, and it is used to solve the complex problem. It is used to solve complex problem that can be broken into smaller repetitive problem. So using recursion, we can solve many complex problem like factorial program, uh, Fibonacci series, and etc. So similarly, we can also use recursion to reverse string in a Java. So in this section, we will learn how to reverse a string using recursion in uh, in Java. So the recursive function perform the recursive string, reverse a string. Sorry, reverse a string. So first we will remove the first character from string. First, we will remove from the string and append that character at character at the end of a string, and repeat the above steps. These are mentioned in until the input string become empty. Suppose the input string uh, Java T point input string is Java is to be a reversed. We will remove the first character from the string and append it to a variable to reverse string. It's implement the functionality in a Java program and reverse the string using recursion. So so we will take an example of a reverse string of recursion. We have created a method that name is reverse string. It possesses the it is in the string that we want to reverse inside the method first, and we have checked that the string is empty or not, and empty or not. If the string is empty, it return the same string, and also print string in a empty. Print string is empty. We have used the we have used two methods of that string class. So first method is substring method. It returns the new string that is a substring of a specified string. It uh, it uh, it parameter that specifies the string's index of the substring. And second method is the caret method. It returns a character at a specified index. The index lies between 0 to length minus 1. So that's all about recursion. That's all about recursion. Thank you.